Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to start a thread in Slack. Starting a thread in Slack is an incredibly useful feature that helps keep your conversations organized and focused. Whether you're coordinating a project, discussing a specific topic, or just trying to keep track of multiple discussions, threading your messages ensures that everyone involved can easily follow along without getting lost in a sea of messages. Let's dive into the detailed steps to get you threading like a pro. First things first, make sure you are in the right channel for your conversation. It's essential to select a channel that includes all the relevant members who should be part of this discussion. Having everyone who needs to know on board will make communication much smoother and more effective. Once you're in the appropriate channel, locate the message panel where you can begin typing your initial message. This is the starting point of your thread. A helpful tip to make your conversation more engaging is to include any relevant files right from the beginning. For example, if you're discussing a project plan, you might want to attach a document or a PDF that outlines the details. You can easily upload these files directly from your computer by clicking the Upload from your computer option. It might take a moment for the file to upload completely, so a bit of patience here is crucial. After your file is uploaded and your message is ready, look for the More Actions section. This part of Slack gives you additional control over your message, opening up more options for interaction. By clicking on More Actions, you start moving towards creating a thread. Now right-click on your message. This action will reveal more interactive options for your post. Next, choose the option to start a reply thread. This is where the magic of threading happens. By starting a thread, you separate your focused conversation from the main channel discussion. This separation allows for easy tracking of related questions and responses, making it much easier to manage conversations. When you start your thread, you should type in all the necessary information to kick off the conversation. This could include a brief explanation, a question, or any insights that will encourage others to engage and respond. Once you've entered all the details, create the conversation by clicking the Start option. Remember, Slack threads are not just about one-way communication. They are designed for interaction. You can mention someone directly in the thread to get their input or involve them directly. Simply use the @ symbol followed by their username to mention them. This will send them a notification and bring their attention to your thread. Finally, when you're satisfied with your message and ready to post it, click on Send Now to make your threaded message live. Congratulations! You've successfully started a thread on Slack. By utilizing threads, you help keep your work organized by clearly distinguishing top-level discussions from more in-depth conversations. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to start a thread in Slack, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.